What would you tell a vegan woman that's eating 30 grams of protein every single day?
Why are you shooting yourself in the foot?
Or shooting yourself in the butt, because you're not going to build one with that protein intake. So if you want to build your booty and your legs and your glutes, how much protein do you recommend?
We recommend anywhere between 0.7 to 1.2 grams of protein per pound of body weight.
Yes, and I eat 250 grams of protein every single day. And how much do you eat?
160.
So if you want to know exactly how much protein you need, we designed a 7-day high protein vegan challenge.
Where in just 7 days, we will teach you how to calculate your own macro intake with protein, carbs, and fats.
We're also going to teach you how to design your own vegan meal plan. And by the end of the week, you're going to know exactly how to prep your own delicious high protein vegan meals that are going to help you get those gains.
So if you want to have access to this challenge, comment below the word challenge and we'll send it your way. Let's go, chicas.